The Sea Eagle STS10 fishing boat is a versatile inflatable designed to tackle a variety of fishing environments, whether in calm lakes or challenging river conditions. This boat stands out for its spaciousness, portability, and lightweight design, making it an excellent choice for solo or duo fishing adventures. Anglers will appreciate the wide sectional floorboards that offer ample room for movement, complemented by a conveniently placed stow bag for easy access to gear. Its round hull configuration provides a secure and stable fishing experience, even in rough seas, while the large air chambers ensure buoyancy and support for up to 4 adults. The Sea Eagle STS10 is expertly constructed from tough 1000 denier material with quadruple overlapping seams, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. With a minimal draft of only 4 inches, this boat can navigate shallow waters effortlessly, expanding your fishing opportunities.